If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Dodge Hornet GT in Acapulco Gold. With Sport Mode, Lane Keep Assist, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, adaptive speed control, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P90617.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.